Hello guys and welcome to today's trade recap. You better watch the video before this one. I told you how did my thought process on this trade, what did I see and how did I anticipate in this trade. But it actually ended up being a losing trade. Alright, everything is transparent. I'm very transparent with you. Everything I shared with you. How did I enter exactly? I did enter exactly at that point where I did told you in the last video. But we got stocked out on this trade. But who fucking cares? When you see Bitcoin is at $90,000 and it actually hit the $91,000, I'm fucking going insane right now. I'm fucking going insane because I'm going to show you a video right now of me talking about my fucking target on Bitcoin. Just listen. The next target for me for the short term on Bitcoin is whether from $95 to $99,000 for Bitcoin. And once we broke above this 4-hour resistance right here, we are probably going to do that. So let me really quick. Let me adjust it because of the price action is moving in. So if we actually broke now and continue breaking above the $85,800, we are going to see the bullishness coming into the Bitcoin chart, and we are going to see did you fucking see, bro? Did you fucking see the results? Well, we hit a W on that. Now Bitcoin is at $90,000 and most of my altcoins are pumping, as you can see right here. We are still going to fucking see some bullishness coming to the market, and look at USDT dominance now. It's going to fucking rip down and my altcoins are going to pump so bad. But now let's go back into the trade recap because I'm going insane right now. I saw that I go insane. So I'm going to do the full breakdown on this trade. Let's start with the 4-hour or the daily time frame. Okay, let me just do this. So on the daily time frame, I had a overall bearish bias. All right, because the downtrend is still going on. We have still these draws on liquidity didn't get swept, so I wanted it to get swept. This is my initial target for the day. All right. So with that, I scaled down to the 4-hour. Also the 4-hour, as I showed you in the last video of me going trading live, I showed you that the 4-hour is being bearish. We are in a bearish trend. Everything is looking good. We're traced back into the 4-hour breaker block. With that, we saw some bearish moves in the market. With that, I scaled down to the 1-hour. What do we see? We see a reaction off of this 1-hour fair value gap. Also, what do we see? We filled up this for 1-hour also fair value gap. Again, we put an SMT with the DXY. All right, we put an SMT, and then we saw some. We scaled down to the 15-minute. You can see we have this 15-minute bullish fair value gap got invalidated. What will happen next? Price did retrace into the inverse fair value gap, and then we broke structure on this. We broke structure on the 15-minute again. Now we invalidated the 15-minute bearish order flow. Okay, so what I wanted next, I wanted to see a more continuation confluences on the lower time frame. So I scaled down to the 5-minute. We see price did retrace from that point right here to here to equilibrium zone. Okay, and we did retrace into the CISD right here, or the breaker block, call it whatever you want. So what happened next? We come down, we invalidate this 5-minute gap, and we broke structure below this, and we even made a market structure shift on here. Okay, we did close below this low. With that, I'm fully bearish on the day. Everything, every time frame is bearish. My exact points that I want to enter off of is looking good. So hold on, why did I so on the 15-minute we have this, I get this 15-minute breaker block right here. I set it up, I'm going to show you. As you can see, this is a bearish breaker block. uh, on the 5 minute, we have this CISD. As you can see, like if you want to call it breaker block, CISD, just names, but the meaning is still the same. All right, so we did retrace. We did just did a little bit of move into the fair value gap, just a little bit. We just touch it for a bit, and then we continued going lower. Hold on, I might be wrong on this one. So we did retrace back into the CISD, back into the breaker block, and then okay, we are here. Then I marked out this fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap, and I wanted it to be inversed. What happened next? We inverted it on the 5 minute, and on the 1 minute we actually did broke structure right here. All right, as you can see, we broke structure. Every single thing now is good, and also this green line, it shows the equilibrium zone of this high down to this low. We have this equilibrium zone. So the 4-hour liquidity sweep, 1 hour also the Asian session highs were got taken out. As you can see right here, the Asian session highs got swept on the hourly or on the 4-hour, the same I think. And then the 15-minute continuation confluence are there. The bullish order flow is invalidated, the bearish order flow is validated, and everything looking good. My lower time frame confluences got hit. Every single thing on this strategy got hit, and this is actually a plus setup for me. Next, where's my stop loss? I put in my stop loss above these 15-minute highs. Why? Because that's where the full trade idea got invalidated. As I told you in the last video of yesterday trade recap, I told you I'm not going to set my TP, my stop loss based on the lower time frame drawn liquidity, because the lower time frame draws on liquidity, like the 1 minute or the 5 minute, can get manipulated very fast, and you can get wicked out and then price reversed into your TP. But that's actually what I didn't do in this trade. I put my stop loss above the 15-minute high where the trade ID got invalidated, and as you can see, now we are turning bullish. Also, the 1 hour also was very bearish. As you can see, this is the 1 hour change in the state of delivery, and then just like that, my TP for the day was taken out these lows. These Asian session lows, I guess. I didn't want to set my TP in here because it's very more likely the price is not going to reverse to hit this low, but this low was at least we can hit this low, but it is what it is, guys. I'm not going to panic. I'm very okay with this trade. I did follow every single rule of mine. I did follow my trading plan. I entered properly. Every single thing in this trade I'm okay with, because at the end of the day, this is the trading, this is the game of trading. Every single thing you do, you gotta accept the risk. You are risking your money, and risk equal losing, but we are trading it to have the reward. We actually don't risk without anything, we risk to get rewarded. So on this one we got L, but hey man, the trading is not over, life is not over. We can do much better in the next upcoming days. So we are not going to panic over this bitch. It's okay. Be patient. Trust the process. As I always say, trust the process. Look for the long-term vision and don't panic ever again. If you have a losing streak, if you have a losing day, a losing week, a losing month, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, you're going to work your ass off every single day until you make things shake or things changed in this world. So without further ado, don't forget to smash up that like button and that subscribe button. Let's hit the May target before the end of the month. And with that, I appreciate you guys for watching. I hope we I hope you guys benefit from this trade recap or trade breakdown. Let me know in the comments if you want to me do more videos like this, like the live trade video. And that, just like that, let's be 1% better every day, and let's stick to the grind. Peace out.